Let's see this question. And the question says that the fluoride whose value of dipole moment is not equal to 0. तो आपको बताना है इन मॉलिक्यूल्स में से कौन सा मॉलिक्यूल है जिसका डाइपोल मोमेंट 0 नहीं है. So let's discuss the key concept of this question first of all. This question is actually based on the hybridization and for this you have to calculate the steric number which is equal to the number of sigma bonds plus lone pair. So on the basis of this concept, let's do our question. Firstly, for XeF4, steric number will be number of sigma bonds 4 and then the lone pairs will be 2. That means it is equal to 6 and for this hybridization is sp3d2. Let's draw the structure of this XeF4 molecule. XeF4 and 2 lone pairs. So geometry is octahedral and shape is square planar. और अगर हम इसका रिजल्टेंट देखेंगे तो वो पूरा कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. And the dipole moment will be 0 in this case. Now let's talk about the next molecule which is CF4. So for CF4, steric number is number of sigma bonds 4 and no lone pair is present. So it is equal to 4. That means hybridization will be sp3. Let's draw the structure for this hybridization. So it will be tetrahedral structure will be there. Shape as well as geometry is same because no lone pair is present here. इसका भी जो रिजल्टेंट आएगा वो 0 हो जाएगा. Resultant dipole moment will be 0. Right? Now let's move further for SF4. Let's calculate the steric number first of all. So number of sigma bonds 4 and then the lone pair is 1. That means 5. So hybridization for steric number 5 is sp3d. Let's draw the structure for this molecule SF4. So it will be geometry is TBP and shape is seesaw. Now in this case the resultant dipole moment is not at all equal to 0. यहाँ पर कैंसिल आउट नहीं होगा जो रिजल्टेंट डाइपोल मोमेंट होगा. एंड देन द PF5 मॉलिक्यूल steric number is 5 sigma bonds plus no lone pair and hence it will come out to be 5. For this hybridization will be sp3d. Let's draw the structure for this molecule. So it will be TBP structure will be there. Geometry as well as shape is TBP, that is trigonal bipyramidal, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कोई भी लोन पेयर प्रेजेंट नहीं है. अगेन इसमें भी जो डाइपोल मोमेंट होगा वो पूरा रिजल्टेंट 0 हो जाएगा. So only this molecule, that is SF4, has नॉन जीरो डाइपोल मोमेंट, दैट मीन्स ऑप्शन सी इज योर करेक्ट आंसर, क्योंकि आपको बताना था इसमें किस में डाइपोल मोमेंट जीरो नहीं है. सो ऑप्शन सी इज योर करेक्ट आंसर.